Welcome to my kitchen! Today we're having a meat-free Monday. That's right. I just think everything in moderation. Meat in moderation, you guys. Y'all can't be having bacon at breakfast, chicken at lunch, and beef at dinner. We just kind of need to give our bodies a break every now and then. So today I'll be making two dishes. I will be making a little bean curry with some nice little flatbread. And just to soothe the souls of the people that I live with, I will be making them a lemon drizzle cake for dessert so that they don't die. We're gonna start, of course, with the lemon drizzle cake to allow it to bake. And then we're gonna crack on with our bean curry and flatbread situation. Shall we begin? Yes, we shall. Now, the recipe I am using today is Mary Berry's lemon drizzle cake recipe. I absolutely love Mary Berry. I just think she is my British grandma and she's the sweetest little lady in the whole world. I personally don't know how she survived judging alongside Paul Hollywood in the British Bake Off Canada. Now, let's walk through the ingredients together. We have a cup of butter, a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of milk, which is 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we have the zest of 2 lemons, which I've covered up so I can preserve all that lovely fragrance. And then we have 2 1/4 cups of self-raising flour, 4 eggs, and then we're gonna make a dressing for this cake. That's why it's called lemon drizzle, because you've got to drizzle lemon on the fizzle. That sounded weird. So in there we have a cup of sugar and the juice of those 2 lemons that we zested from before. So I got confessions to make. I went all the way to the store. Your girl literally went and got a permit, went all the way to the store, and she didn't buy a whisk. The last time I said I didn't have a whisk. So today I'm gonna have to improvise again. This recipe requires us to cream the butter and the sugar, and it would have been absolutely amazing to have my little hand mixer because that would have done it for me so easily. But we're gonna burn some calories on top of not eating meat. Are we healthy or what? Okay, not really, because this is literal, this is so sweet. But it's okay. Let us start. The first thing you want to do is make your lemon sugar. So you want to put your zest in here. You want to begin by mixing the lemon zest into your sugar before you cream the butter and this sugar together. So we're just gonna give that a nice little rough mix. As you can see, my little lemon zest has a little bit of pink in it, and that is a little bit of grapefruit zest. The smell is so pretty. So let's begin by mushing this up a little bit. You want to start by leaving your butter out for probably about 2 hours so that it can come down to room temperature and soften. So let's dump our sugar in there, and we're gonna just mix this thing around, get some elbow grease in there until it turns pale yellow. And start off by just getting it incorporated. All right, those 2 are incorporated, and now it's time to put in some elbow grease. Let's go. Oh, this is torture. Oh, all the days of my life I will cherish this lemon drizzle cake. You guys, do you know who taught me how to make lemon drizzle cake? My brother Kurt! I fell in love immediately because I'm not really into sweets, but this cake just kept me eating it, okay? Because of that tangy sweetness, you want to keep eating it. It's got that, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Yes, that was an excuse to rest, but let's get back. Okay, it's kind of turning pale yellow, you guys. This is yet less yellow than it was before. Alright, I'm done. So, let us knock the sides down. We are going to put our eggs in one by one, okay? So let's try the first one. Is it just me or do you just get like the most anxiety when a recipe says do not overmix? What do you mean do not overmix? Like, this is why I don't bake, you guys. Honestly, this is why I'm not into sweet things. I'd rather suffer and eat like salty stuff the rest of my life than struggle with do not overmix. Oh, that being said, I will include the recipe in the description below. Don't worry about it, I got you. All right, let's give it a good mix. Other egg in. So we just kind of mix until it is just incorporated, right? You guys, my yolk fell out. But at least it didn't break. Let's see if we can save it. Come, 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 come. Oh, we saved it. Like, how rigorously am I mixing though? Sorry, Yoki, in you go. I'm gonna put this spoon over there. Okay, and it's just incorporated. Other egg. Stay calm. No going crazy. What kind of freak accident was that though? Alright, here we go. And last yolk in. That is looking mixed. Then, at this stage, we put our 1/4 cup of milk in. And mix it in really good. And then our 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, that looks sort of okay. I mean, I am doing this by hand, ladies and gentlemen. We can't really expect the cleanest mix in the world, but everything incorporates at the end of the day. And now we can start gradually putting our flour in. This is 2 1/4 cups of flour. Let's stay on track. And gradually fold in the flour. And just a little bit more. Everything is just about incorporated. As you can see, it's a pretty heavy loaf dough. Looks really good. Let's give it a small taste. Oh, I think it was a great idea to add that little bit of grapefruit zest. That is the money maker in this baby.